Today we are going to study rounding of the number. Suppose our question is round off to the nearest thousand and we are given with the number 8312. Okay, our first thing, we have to give them the place value to the each digit, say ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now rounding off, we have to follow some steps. First step is, if the number we have to round it off to the thousand, first step is to circle the digit which stand on the thousandth place. So circle 8, and next step is to see the neighboring digit. Here the neighboring digit is 3. So suppose we'll frame a story कि if the neighboring number is smaller than 5, then the number has no power. So when the circle digit said that to convert yourself into 0, so it easily convert the all digits into zeros and 8 will become 8. So round it off to the nearest 8312 into 8000. Okay. Now one more example. Say we are given with the 12605. Our first step is to give the place value to the each digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Here we have to round off to the nearest thousand. So we circle the digit which stands on the thousandth place. So we'll give, next step is to see the neighboring number. Here the neighboring number 6 is more than the 5. Then when circle digit said to the neighboring digit to convert yourself into 1000, it said no. I will convert myself into zeros and my friend into zeros if you add 1 in you. So the circle digit said that okay, I will add 1 in myself, I will become 3, and this one drop down same, and when the neighboring numbers see that it convert into 3, 1 add कर लिया, then it convert their self into zeros. So here the nearest to the 1000 is 13,000. See one more example. If we are given with this number and we have to add, what we'll do? We have to add it to the nearest 1000. First step is circle the 1000 place. Look at the neighboring number 2, which is smaller than the 5. Then it automatically convert into zeros without giving any conditions. So 3 remain 3 and other all numbers convert into 0. Here next number is 4930. 1000 place circle. Neighboring number is 9, which is larger than the 5. Then when it said, asked her neighboring number to convert themselves into 0, she said that first add 1 in themselves. अपने आप में 1 ऐड करिए. It said okay, मैं अपने अंदर 1 ऐड कर लेता हूँ. Then all the numbers become zeros. Now this number 32,881, 3,281 convert into 3,000, 4,930 convert into nearest to 1000 is 5,000. Then add, it become 8,000. Now next question is round off to the nearest 10,000. What we'll do? This number is given 23809. What we'll give? First we'll give the place value to each digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Here we have to round it off to the 10,000. So circle the 10,000 digit. Then it looks at its neighboring number 3, which is smaller than the 5. Then the circle number has the power to keep themselves as it is too, and all the other numbers convert into zeros. Then 23,809 nearest to 10,000 is 20,000. This is the answer. Again, one more time. 78114. First is we have to give each digit place value ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Then circle the 10th place, 7. Then it set its neighboring number. It is 8, which is larger than the 5. Then the neighboring number said add the circle 1 in them. Then it become 8. 7 plus 1, 8. And then after the other numbers convert into 0. Here 78,114, when we round it off to the 10,000, become 80,000. I hope you understood this estimation very well. Now simply we have to add it. Now this number is given. What we'll do? First we convert this number into nearest to 1,000. 10,000. Again circle the 10,000 digit. Then look at the neighboring number 2, which is smaller than the 5. Then it becomes 3 as it is, and the other number converted into 0. Then 45,103. Then what it said? Circle the fourth 10,000 digit. Look at the neighboring number, which is 5, which is equal to the 5. Then it add 1, 5 and the other numbers convert into 0. Now we have to add both the numbers. 32,978 converted into 30,000. 45,103 converted into 50,000. Now we have to add the estimated numbers. It becomes 80,000. Okay. Now similarly, here also nearest to round off to 1,000. 5819. Nearest to 1,000, circle the 1,000 place digit. Then look at the neighboring number 8, which is more than 5. Then it set the circle number to add 1 in them. Then it becomes 6, and after adding 1 in the circle number, then the other number converted into 0. Then 5,890 converted into 1,000, it becomes 6,000. Now next number is 3,295. Circle the 1,000 number. Then it look at the neighboring number 2, which is smaller than the 5. Then the circle number drop down as it is, and the other number converted into 0. Then 3,295 converted into 3,000. Now subtract the estimated, we get 3,000. Okay. Again here nearest to 1,000, 10,000. 39,000. First step is 39,506. 10,000 place circle कर लिया. Then look at the neighboring number 9, which is larger than the greater than the 5. Then it one add in 10,000 place, it become 4, and after adding 1, the other numbers converted into 0. Here 39,506 nearest to 10,000 is 40,000. Then next is 22,918. Circle the 10,000 place. Look at the neighboring number 2, which is smaller than 5. Then drop down the 10,000 place as it is, and the other numbers converted into 0. 22,918 round off to the 10,000, it becomes 20,000. After then difference of the estimated number, we get 20,000. I hope you understood this estimation of addition and subtraction very well. I hope now practice yourself. Thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.